In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete customers in Woocommerce. This straightforward process will guide you step by step, ensuring a seamless experience, especially if you're managing an online store and need to clean up or update your customer database. Let's dive in. To get started, we'll be navigating through WordPress, so open up your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. WordPress is the platform that powers your Woocommerce store, and accessing it is the first step to managing your customers effectively. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll see the Login button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. It's crucial to have administrative access for this process, so make sure you're using an account that has the necessary permissions to manage users. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This hub gives you control over your entire website, including your Woocommerce settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're new to it, as you'll be spending a lot of time here managing different aspects of your site. The next step is to navigate to the Users section of the dashboard. You can find this in the left-hand sidebar. Hover over Users with your cursor, and a drop-down menu will appear. Click on All Users. This page displays a list of everyone who has registered an account on your site, including your customers. At this point, you'll likely see a lot of entries. If you have a large customer base, finding specific individuals could seem daunting. Don't worry, WordPress has a handy search feature. Simply type the name or email address of the customer you wish to delete into the search bar located at the top of the All Users section and hit Enter. This will filter the results, making it significantly easier to find the customer you want to manage. Now, once you've found the customer in question, hover over their name with your cursor. You should see some options appear beneath the name, including an option to delete. Click Delete and you'll be asked to confirm your choice. Be sure this is the action you want to take, as deleting a user is permanent and cannot be undone. Confirm your choice, and just like that, you've successfully removed the customer from Woocommerce. And there you have it. You've cleaned up your customer list, which not only helps maintain an organized database, but can also improve the efficiency of your business operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks to enhance your Woocommerce experience.